Why celebrities are obsessed with healthy and safe wedding favor ideas. With the reopening of the states and the beginning of social calendars following COVID-19 residency directives, many also have a high regard for health and security. Couples with the next marriage dates will look for the right method to keep their families and friends healthy with previously planned marrying. If you are looking for a fun way to make your wedding a top priority for well-being, find out the first protection wedding favors that will love your guests. Idea 1. SANITIZER own hand. Prior to the COVID-19, hand sanitizers were used by the wedding guests at a useful party. And after your wedding day, visitors will be able to hold hand sanitizer favors available for hand washing in their bags, vehicles, etc. Hand harvesters can be customized to fit your marriage aesthetic in a range of bottle shapes and in liquid and gel shape. Idea 2. Tissue packs personality. A party of nebulous guests indicates a stunning wedding. You should supply your visitors with customized, waterproof tissue bags instead of touching the communal tissue box to dry the happy cries. Single-use tissue packets are perfect when it comes to washing one's face. Idea 3. Party favor kit emergency. Although the favors of the emergency kit are a common staple for bachelor and bachelor parties, they can also be adapted for wedding parties. Many ready-to-wrap packs contain things such as aspirin and ban sicknesses, which can be useful during a drunken night. Using a mix of medical components, you will make your own sets, such as the emergency, a pen for your guest book, a wine glass name, waterproof face masks and hand gloves and hand sanitizers. Idea 4. SPIRE with chalk label. SPIRE. Drinking from another glass is accidentally never pleasant, especially following COVID-19. Individual glass party favors are an excellent way for visitors to monitor their drinks and have an adorable present. For a rustic touch, mason pots can be tailored with crayon stickers, while flower pots full of crab colors can be chosen. For a more sophisticated touch, you can use multicolored chalkboard paint to create a glamorous, practical and special DIY party for your rehearsal dinner or for per-wedding bridal party's drinks. Idea 5. Mask face personalized. If you are a wedding guest, when wearing a face mask, custom masks will allow guests to feel more relaxed sporting the face cover, if they want. If you are a wedding guest, add the hashtag for wedding or an amusing saying to the mask and commemorate your wedding day. In addition, the photographer will take some fantastic pictures of visitors sporting similar masks.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.